to Love, Episode Uno. Today our friends will be learning how to introduce themselves in Spanish, and they'll also learn different greetings. I hope you're having fun!
I was at home yesterday, and I was thinking about learning Spanish.
Spanish? Mi abuela taught me Spanish.
But we can all learn together.
Sounds great. Okay, let's learn some greetings. I'm gonna say, hello, my name is Maria in Spanish, and you all repeat after me. Hola, me llamo es.
Hola, me llamo es Maria.
No, say your name, Bob.
Hola, me llamo es Bob. Hola, me llamo es Bob. Hola, me llamo es Bob.
Okay. Good job, Bob.
All right, how do we say, hi, how are you?
Let me think. Okay, I remember. It's hola, ¿cómo estás? Now let's all say it together so we can get better.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Great. Now everyone watching, say hola, ¿cómo estás?
Wow, I feel like I can speak Spanish already.
Let's
What?
not get ahead of ourselves. It's only day one. We have a lot more to learn.
Adios.
Bye, guys.